Imec board candidate Idea Association 107. Previously, I was consul for about 23 years, and within this association of consuls, the elections were falsified, the accounts, and also the candidates, because a consul honorary could really get to the president of the association, whilst it was not the case for the last 100 years. So I decided it was better not to be a consul. If no one from my country, Spain and the Basque country, could be a president of an association within this country, because I do not believe it should be like this 2025. Now, within this Imec association, I believe that we have 2.4 billion of expenses that between the wage and the net wage, gross and net. Then some countries get these within paragraphs, within columns that we could cut, and we could generate Department of Imec efficiency to report exclusively how much cost we are having per month, per paragraph, per column, per line, per country, and per the total of 4 million seafarers, 2 million on board. So if we had 2 million seafarers on board and we caught 2.4 billion, I think that I am the right candidate for you, dear ship owner. How could we split these savings between ship owner and seafarer? Okay, let's do a 50-50. 1.2 for you, 1.2 for you. Are you all happy? Then that's why you need me as a candidate, because I would generate this Department of Imec efficiency, and I would report monthly these statistics. Why? Because it is the only A degree I got at university. Therefore, stats is what I love to report, and thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye. Look forward to your vote.